Welcome to the School of Briquetting. I'm Mogens Knudsen, one of the briquetting experts. Today we'll talk about if it's a good business to make briquettes. When you are going to make a briquette, there are certain factors, or many factors, you have to evaluate. But the most important of them are your raw material, the production, logistical costs, and of course also sales price. When you look at raw material, generally, especially for consumer locks, it's important to have wood as a base, but other raw materials can be considered. But of course, it's the moisture, it's the structure, the type is important, and of course, the price of the raw material. And production, well, you have to choose the right machinery, but you have to evaluate costs like electricity cost, spare part cost, local wages, and so on. And then when it comes to logistics, if you have to export, logistical cost would be or can be really high, and also if you have to truck over long distances. And then finally, of course, the sales price. Where can you sell briquettes? Is it the right price? Now, briquetting is made all over the world, and costs and sales vary from one region to the other. So we have a couple of graphs here which will show some of the differences. The first two graphs shows consumer locks produced in Europe and Eastern Europe. And the main difference you can see are the logistical costs from Eastern Europe are a lot higher, but the raw material cost and direct costs are lower. The second example shows that you can produce briquettes in Africa at a price of 85 euro per ton and still make good money. If you want to know more about all this, visit our website or contact any of us. Remember, we are the briquetting experts.